Hello guys, welcome to everyone. In this video I am going to show you how a helicopter clears down with the help of its wings and fast wind. Low it too high, keep it down so that it can be cleaned from the bottom. So let's play with action. I want to play button from YouTube because I like very much. So support me with like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.